back to my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, you should subscribe. Today I'm going to unbox everything I got in my cosmetology kit, which was worth like over $2,000. So it's just a lot of stuff in it and everything I'll be needing for cosmetology school. Let's get started. First thing I have is this extra deep manicure bowl. I think the hand goes in here like this. Then the next thing is this snap cap by Pivot Point. And I think you can like put like hair on here for like hair coloring and stuff. So it's really exciting. It's also by Pivot Point. And I'm excited to use this. Ceramic edge. I think you call this a clipper. I think this goes on top of that mannequin head thing that I just showed you. So they're called Miss Catherine snap caps. I have 3 of these brown hair ones from Pivot Point. Blade clipper thing. This is professional cutting collar. So you just like put this over your client's shoulders or whatever. Just like that. Yeah. Next thing I have is this mirror. It's just a black mirror. These brushes. Comb, and another comb, and another comb, and then a brush. This round brush. It looks like this. The cushion brush, and then a paddle brush. The cushion brush looks like this. I have this paddle brush. Applicator bottle. I have so many snap caps. Oh my god, look at this. A manicure brush. What are these? Twist comb set. So this is an edge tamer. Pivot Point spray bottle. Wow. Butterfly clamps. 12 black clips. Like this. Cordless trimmer. So this is a trimmer. Hell, this stuff looks expensive. Blade oil. This is called an attachment comb. Snap-on pick. A 6-piece manicure set. A Cameron mannequin. Let's pull him out. Cameron looks like this. Hi Cameron, how are you today? How are you doing in that box? And then we can't forget about Ian. So this is Ian. Oh my god, his hair is everywhere. I think some of his hair is real and some of it is natural human hair and some of it is, you know, fake hair. When you literally can't get a boyfriend, so you're stroking a mannequin's hair now. So here's the 1-inch iron. So this is a blow dryer. It's low-key so gorgeous. I'm guessing you can attach these to the blow dryer or something. 1-inch flat iron, I think. 1-inch flat iron. This is like the nicest flat iron I've ever seen. Alright, so this is the Pivot Point tripod. And it comes with this shoulder strap. So here's a tripod. So I think you just attach like the mannequin head to this thing. Next is this cape. This is AVEDA on the back. Paddle brush. AVEDA. ASMR. Cosmetology study guide. So it looks like this. 600 pages. Hair story book. It's about untangling the roots of black hair in America. Foot file. Empty magnetic palette. And it says AVEDA on there. There's just a mirror. Hattori Hanzo shears. Everything here looks so bougie. A microfiber cloth. Anyway, so there's these. Alright, and these are called feather blades, and they come with those shears. Bag of stuff. End papers in there. I think those are curlers, and there's gloves in here, and then there's foils. And then in this bag, I think this is gel. So yeah, I need to say like AVEDA on there. And then there's these two. And then this one has like a spoolie on the other side. So here's a nail file. This looks so bougie, oh my god. It's made of glass. These roller racks. Light hold hairspray. And then another AVEDA product, it's a firm hold hairspray. Another AVEDA product is a foot relief moisturizing cream. AVEDA's hand relief moisturizing cream. Pure Abundance Style Prep. Speed of Light Blow Dry Accelerator Spray. Be Curly Style prep, all day frizz control, moisturization, curl definition, and then AVEDA Confixer liquid gel, anchor base coat for nail color. So this is a top coat for nail color. I can't wait to use this stuff. I'm so excited. Oh my god, just like looking at nail polish makes me so excited. And then AVEDA Nutri-Plenish Leave-In Conditioner, solid gold cuticle oil gel, cooling balancing oil concentrate. So it looks like this. Beautifying composition oil by AVEDA. AVEDA pencil sharpener. And it just looks like this. You can just open it. It says AVEDA on the top. Also in the AVEDA Student Cosmetology Kit, it also comes with a iPad. I think it's like a 64GB space gray iPad. But I bought my own, so if you want to watch my other video where I actually unboxed my iPad, I also bought the space gray iPad, but I bought it in 128GB because I prefer more storage space. And I also did get a case for it, and I unboxed the case in that video too. And then I also unboxed a screen protector on here. And I recently, oh, it comes with a keyboard as well. And I recently actually got a off-brand stylus pen. It's very similar to the Apple Pencil. It was only $25. The original Apple Pencil was like $100, so it was like 1/4 of the price. And I will link that in the description because it's from Amazon. If you want to watch the video, I will also have that on my end screen. Yeah, so that was all the things that came in the AVEDA Student Cosmetology Kit. If you enjoyed, or if you're also starting cosmetology school, or if you would just want to follow my journey in cosmetology school and just see like, how things go from here, you should definitely subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.